guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. So let me just adjust the camera. So I don't know if you can see that slime, but it's really slime. So yeah, let's get to it. One second. So as you see, I'm touching it. It doesn't stick. So I got my container right here. As you see, I'm mixing it up. I'm literally mixing it up. Just mixing it up, I promise. So I'm touching the slime. Does not stick. Just touching it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't stick at all. So what you guys will be needing is dial soap. I'm just using lavender. What the next thing you'll need is Noxin. And the other soap you'll need is Biolodge. So let's get started. So first you want to add your Biolodge. Add your Biolodge. Then you're going to add your dial soap. And you guys are just going to mix it up really good first before you add the Noxin. So I got that mixed up. Now I'm going to put the Noxin in. Sorry for my phone. So then after that, you're going to just put it into the corner that you're going to mix with. And what you're going to do is mix it up for just like a few seconds or so. Then watch this. Touch it. I think I added enough of this. So it wasn't like as red yet. But I literally just add just a little bit of then there you have it, right there. So there's the slime that you made. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And just give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye.